Hello, I'm Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Welcome. Let me start this video by giving out a few shout outs. First, I want to thank you, the viewer. You tune in weekly to see my videos, which means so much to me. I truly appreciate your support, you sharing, you subscribing. I would not be here without you. I wouldn't be growing without you. Secondly, I ran into or found a great Facebook group. And this Facebook group has been so supportive. It's called Acrylic Pouring for Beginners. The group is run by G Pours. Also, I met 3 artists in that group. One is from Britt Clayton Design, G Pours, of course, as well as Frosty Eye Candy. I'll put their links in below. They are all great artists, and they are YouTubers. So if you like my work, you'll love their work. So check them out. So let's get back to this video. I've blown out my base coat, which is a titanium white. Now I'm laying down my first color. My first color is copper. My next color is silver. Then a gold. And I ended with the pearl white. Once I have my colors laid down, I create a circle of white paint around my color. That circle of paint helps my color flow across the canvas or surface. Then I'm going to blow some white paint over the colors. That helps with selling. And then I'll blow out the paint. It's always a good idea to have a composition in mind when you're blowing out the paint. And now I'll go in with detailing. You can do detailing with a mini blower like I'm using now, or you can just blow with your mouth, a straw, or any other tool. Whatever feels right to you, you're the artist. So let's watch the rest of the video. Phoenix Flow Art, creating is what we do. And again, if you have any questions about Dutch pours or about this particular painting, please leave your comments below. I respond to every comment.